Hey my loves, it's your boy, Knowledge Panel, back with another video, and today we're tackling a topic that affects so many of us, especially during these colder months: dry, flaky, irritated winter skin. Ugh, it's the worst, right? But don't worry, I'm here to give you the ultimate guide to combating dryness and keeping your skin healthy, hydrated, and glowing all winter long. We're going to break down the most effective tips and tricks, so you can say goodbye to that tight, uncomfortable feeling and hello to happy, healthy skin. Okay guys, let's start with the most crucial step in your winter skincare routine: moisturizing. And I'm not just talking about slapping on any old lotion whenever you remember. We need to be strategic here. The key is to apply your moisturizer immediately after showering or bathing while your skin is still damp. Why? Because this helps trap in all that precious moisture that your skin would otherwise lose to the dry air. Think of it like this: your skin is like a sponge. When it's dry, it's all shriveled up and can't absorb much water. But when it's damp, it's like that sponge has been soaked and can hold on to way more moisture. So, by applying your moisturizer right after you hop out of the shower or bath, you're essentially locking in that hydration and preventing your skin from drying out. Now let's talk about cleansing. It's a fundamental step in any skincare routine, but it becomes even more crucial during the winter months when our skin tends to be drier and more sensitive. I know, it might seem counterintuitive to cleanse your skin when you're trying to combat dryness. You might think that washing your face will strip away the little moisture you have left. But trust me on this one, cleansing is still important, even in the winter, to remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. A good cleanse can actually help your skin absorb moisturizers and other treatments more effectively. However, the key here is to be gentle, gentle, gentle. Your skin is already under stress from the cold, dry air, so the last thing you want to do is aggravate it further. Ditch those harsh, stripping cleansers that leave your skin feeling tight and dry. These products can do more harm than good, especially in the winter. Instead, opt for mild, fragrance-free formulas that are specifically designed for sensitive or dry skin. These cleansers are formulated to be gentle, yet effective, ensuring that your skin stays clean without losing its essential moisture. These cleansers will effectively remove impurities without stripping away your skin's natural oils, which are essential for maintaining a healthy moisture barrier. A strong moisture barrier is your skin's first line of defense against environmental stressors. And please, my friends, avoid those super scrubby exfoliating cleansers, especially during the winter months. While exfoliation is important, overdoing it can be detrimental. I know it's tempting to scrub away those dry flakes, but trust me, it's doing more harm than good. Over-exfoliating can lead to micro-tears in the skin, which can cause irritation and make your skin even more vulnerable to the harsh winter elements. Over-exfoliating can damage your skin's protective barrier, making it even more susceptible to dryness and irritation. Instead, focus on gentle cleansing and moisturizing to keep your skin healthy and resilient throughout the winter season. Remember, less is more when it comes to winter skincare. Speaking of exfoliation, let's dive a little deeper into this crucial step. While we want to be extra gentle during the winter, exfoliation is still important for removing dead skin cells and allowing your other skincare products to penetrate better. The key here is to find a balance. Instead of harsh scrubs, opt for a gentle chemical exfoliant containing alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs. These ingredients work by dissolving the bonds that hold dead skin cells together, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. Remember, moderation is key. Limit exfoliation to once or twice a week, depending on your skin's tolerance. If you're new to chemical exfoliants, start with once a week and gradually increase the frequency as your skin gets used to it. And always follow up with a hydrating serum and moisturizer to replenish moisture. Now let's talk about hydration from the inside out. Water is often overlooked, but it's a fundamental part of our daily lives and essential for our overall health. You guys know I'm all about that skincare, but true skin health starts from within. No matter how many products you apply, if you're not hydrated, your skin won't look its best. And one of the most important things you can do for your skin during the winter is to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Cold weather can be harsh on your skin, making it more prone to dryness and irritation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and even more if you're active or live in a dry climate. Hydration is not just about quantity, but also consistency. Spread your water intake throughout the day. Water helps to plump up skin cells, flush out toxins, and keep everything functioning properly. When your skin cells are well hydrated, they can repair and regenerate more effectively. Think of it this way: when you're dehydrated, your skin is one of the first places it shows. Dehydration can lead to a compromised skin barrier, making it more susceptible to environmental damage. You might notice that your skin looks dull, feels tight, and those fine lines become more prominent. These are all signs that your skin is crying out for more moisture. So, make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in how your skin looks and feels. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times and make it a habit to take regular sips. This not only helps the environment but also ensures you stay hydrated wherever you go. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. When you make hydration a priority, you'll notice a natural glow and improved texture. So, drink up and let your skin shine. Okay, let's talk about another secret weapon in the fight against dry winter skin: humidifiers. These devices are often overlooked, but they can make a world of difference in maintaining your skin's moisture levels. You see, when the air is dry, it sucks the moisture right out of your skin. This can lead to a range of issues, from mild discomfort to more severe skin conditions. Dry air can cause your skin to become flaky, itchy, and even crack, which can be quite painful. It's like your skin is constantly battling against the elements, trying to hold on to any bit of hydration it can. The cold winter air, combined with indoor heating, creates a perfect storm for dry skin. Your skin's natural barrier is compromised, making it harder to retain moisture, and that's where humidifiers come in. These handy devices work by adding moisture back into the air, which can help to alleviate the dryness. By maintaining a more balanced humidity level in your home, you can create a more skin-friendly environment. Humidifiers add moisture back into the air, creating a more skin-friendly environment. This added moisture can help to soothe dry, irritated skin, and can even improve the overall texture and appearance of your skin. They're especially helpful during the winter, when indoor heating can make the air incredibly dry. Heating systems, while keeping us warm, tend to strip the air of its natural humidity, exacerbating skin dryness. Aim for a humidity level of 40 to 60%, which is considered ideal for skin health. Maintaining this level of humidity can help to keep your skin hydrated and prevent the common issues associated with dry air. You can find hygrometers, which measure humidity levels, at most drugstores or online. These devices are relatively inexpensive and can be a great investment for maintaining the right humidity levels in your home. Trust me, investing in a humidifier is one of the best things you can do for your skin during the winter. Not only will it help to keep your skin hydrated, but it can also improve your overall comfort and well-being. It's like giving your skin a constant stream of hydration, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up with skin that feels soft, supple, and well hydrated, all thanks to the simple addition of a humidifier in your bedroom. Finally, let's talk about protecting your skin from the harsh winter elements. When you're braving the cold, wind, and snow, it's like your skin is facing a full-on assault, so we need to give it some extra protection. First and foremost, cover up. Wear a hat, scarf, and gloves to protect your skin from the wind and cold. And don't forget about sunscreen. Just because it's winter doesn't mean the sun's harmful UV rays have taken a vacation. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to all exposed skin, even on cloudy days. Before you head out into the cold, apply a thick layer of moisturizer to act as a barrier against the elements. Think of it like creating a protective shield over your skin, preventing moisture loss and protecting it from the harsh winter conditions. So there you have it, my loves. Those are my top tips for combating dry winter skin and keeping your complexion healthy, hydrated, and glowing all season long. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Make these tips a part of your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they make. Additionally, consider incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants into your diet to support skin health. Think salmon, avocados, nuts, and berries, delicious and beneficial for your skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips.